Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem on 1D motion. I hope you have solved this question, try to solve this question by yourself and then come to see the video. So if not, kindly see the question right now, try to solve it, only then continue with the video. Okay, so let us go with the problem. The problem goes like this. A car covers a distance at a speed of 60 km per hour. It returns and comes back to the original point moving at a speed of v. If the average speed for the round trip is 48 km per hour, then the magnitude of v in kilometer per hour is. What is happening here is a particle is or a car is going from one place to the other. Say the distance is s and it moves with 60 km per hour, right? And then it comes back at a velocity of v, goes at 60 km per hour, comes back at v. But the average of this is 48 km per hour. Now what does that mean? That means my v average is actually what? Distance covered, right, divided by time taken, right? Right, so it is asking average speed, not the velocity, right? It is asking the average speed. So average speed is distance covered by time taken. What is the distance covered? 2 times s. What is the time taken? For forward journey, if you consider velocity, velocity is nothing but distance by time, right? So time is equal to distance by velocity, right? So time taken is initially when going forward, it goes by s by 60 km per hour plus, and then the time to come back, which is s by v. And what is the v average? It is 48 km per hour. Now the question is, should we convert it into say meters per second? Not required if everything is in the consistent units. That means if it is 60 km per hour, it is there, it is in 48 km per hour. So time and distance in time is consistent in everything. Okay, then we need not. Okay, so s here would be in kilometer, that has to be kept in mind. If you substitute s in meters, then it is gone. But we are not worried what is it in, right? So now when we solve this, we will get this as 48 is equal to 2s. S we can take it out and we can cancel. Okay, so s I will take it out and I'll cancel. Okay, so this one will become 1 by 60 plus 1 by v. And when we do the algebra, you will get 2 into 60 into v is equal to v plus 60. That is 48. Okay, so it is 48v plus 48 into 60 is equal to 120 into v. Now let us take on this on the other side. So it is 72v is equal to 48 into 60, or v is equal to 48 into 60 divided by 72, and you know 12 table, this goes by 5, this goes by 6, and 6 goes 8 in 48. So this would be 8 into 5, which is 40 kilometer per hour. Pretty straightforward, easy question when you know the answer or when you know how to do it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the students. Like this, continuously see the videos. What I'll do is I will take one topic, I will cover the theory, and extensively I will cover the problems. It is important that you first practice and then open the video. Don't do the otherwise. Don't just see it like a like you're seeing a movie. It's not like that. Okay, first you try to solve it by yourself. If not, if you're not able to solve, or if you're able to solve, to see whether how we have done. And there is a possibility that my way of solving may be a bit different from your way of solving, and be very comfortable with that unless and until you have done some mistake in solving. So I hope you have enjoyed this, students. Happy learning. All the best, students. Thank you.